Right there.
Uptown Sedona. Uptown Sedona is served as the central hub of the city of Sedona, Arizona. Uptown Sedona is the home of the shopping centers, gift shops, cafes, restaurants, and arts galleries. The out-of-town visitors can enjoy the magnificent scenery while walking for shopping, dining in at the restaurant, and drinking booze at the patios of the resto bars. Andito kami ngayon sa Uptown Sedona. Yung backdrop sa Uptown nila is maganda kasi overlooking sa Red Rock Mountains. Uptown Sedona is a great place to visit if you are first-time visitors. Uptown Sedona is the center of the town, now known as the Main Street, and the Sedona's main shopping district. The town is walkable, and you will find some of the best Red Rock scenery while walking around the area. Naglagay sila ng mist para hindi gano'ng kainit. As in impressive yung setup nila sa Uptown Sedona. Para siyang pang rich people na setup nila. As in maganda talaga siya. Ma-impress ka. Talakipake. I don't know how paano yan i-pronounce. Isa to sa mga attractions dito sa Sedona. Kung i-browse niyo, kung browse kayo ng top 10 sa Sedona, ito din ang lumabas nila sa isa sa mga attractions dito. Talakipake is Sedona's arts and craft village, one of the best things to do in Sedona. Talakipake is a landmark since 1970s and is authentically fashioned after a traditional Mexican village. Talakipake meaning best of everything. According to the most of the reviews, Talakipake is known as one of the Sedona's most romantic ground for weddings and vow renewals, and often referred to as the arts and soul of Sedona. Ito yung Talakipake. Ano siya i-pronounce? Talakipake. Talakipake is a Mexican-inspired village and a home of the best restaurant, best Mexican-inspired local products. Nandito kami ngayon sa airport Misa sa Sedona. Ito yung next stop namin. Mag-lunch muna kami kasi it's already 11:30. Kakain muna kami sa Chipotle. Most of the fast food or restaurant in uptown Sedona are overlooking at the beautiful scenery of the Red Rocks. Basurahan pa. Our next stop is the Bell Rock, one of the attractions dito sa Sedona, Arizona. Bell Rock. Bell Rock is our last stop of the day. Bell Rock is one of the Sedona's Red Rock Mountains that resembles similar to a bell shape. Bell Rock is a formation of a rock that resembles a massive bell situated in a valley surrounded by a massive Red Rock Canyon walls. The panoramic views make it a popular landmark na tourist attractions. Bell Rock is the famous post-wedding photography. Sa sobrang init dito sa Sedona, I think it's plus 38 degrees Celsius, 92 Fahrenheit. Look at my face, para na siyang litson. And that's it guys, that's it for Sedona, Arizona. See you next time, see you on my next expedition. Alright, bye bye.